A risk assessment is the first and most critical step in creating a business continuity plan. It helps an organization identify, analyze, and prioritize potential risks that could disrupt operations. Identifying risks come from both internal and external sources. Internal risks include IT failures, human errors, or financial mismanagement. External risks involve natural disasters, cyber attacks, or supply chain disruptions. To effectively identify risks, organizations can use two common tools: SWOT analysis, examine strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats to pinpoint vulnerabilities. Scenario planning develops what-if scenarios to assess how different disruptions might impact operations. Prioritizing risks. Not all risks have the same level of impact. Businesses need to prioritize risks based on two factors: likelihood, how probable is the event? Impact, how severe would the consequences be? For example, a data breach in a financial institution has a high likelihood and a severe impact, making it a top priority for business continuity planning. Example: risk assessment in action. A global retail company conducted a risk assessment and identified that IT system failures were their biggest threat. By recognizing this risk early, they invested in redundant servers and cloud backups, ensuring their business could continue operating even if one system failed. Conducting a thorough risk assessment ensures that organizations understand their vulnerabilities and proactively address them before a crisis occurs. Now, let's move on to Step 2, Business Impact Analysis (BIA).